Welcome to the course for Thai massage for upper back pain. I am Elifdaria. I am a Thai massage instructor trained in Chiang Mai, and I have been teaching traditional Thai massage since 2004. I have actually also authored many books on Thai bodywork, which you can find on Amazon under my name, Elifdaria Mansoru. Let's begin with a short orientation to what Thai massage actually is and how it works. Thai massage is an integral part of traditional Thai medicine, which functions as a complete and independent healing system. According to its principles, the human body contains a network of energy pathways through which vital cosmic energy flows. These pathways are known as sen lines. Sen simply means line in Thai. One of the central aims of Thai massage is to balance the flow of energy along these sen lines, helping restore harmony within the body. Unlike many forms of massage performed on a treatment table, Thai massage is traditionally practiced on a floor mat. The receiver remains fully clothed, wearing light and loose garments that allow free movement. During the session, the therapist uses a wide range of body parts to apply techniques: thumbs, palms, elbows, forearms, knees, and feet, and at times even the whole body. This gives Thai massage its distinctive dynamic quality. The methodology of Thai massage includes several types of techniques that work together to support the body. One of the most recognizable elements is stretching. In fact, stretching is perhaps the most distinctive feature of Thai massage. The aim of these stretches is to decompress the body and create space in the joints and tissues. Many of them resemble passive applications of yogic asanas or yoga postures, where the therapist guides the receiver's body through the movement. These stretches can help restore balance between protagonist and antagonist muscle groups. Over time, muscles tend to shorten gradually, especially in people who spend long hours sitting or working at a desk. This shortening can disturb muscular balance and lead to chronic musculoskeletal discomfort. By lengthening and mobilizing the tissues, Thai massage stretching can contribute to relief from chronic pain and long-standing muscular tension. Another component of Thai massage involves adjustments. These adjustments resemble the low and medium velocity techniques used in osteopathy, although Thai massage techniques are generally less specific than those of osteopathic manipulation. Some advanced practitioners may also apply high-velocity techniques, what are often called thrusts. In certain countries or states, performing these techniques may require a special professional license. Thai massage also includes classic massage techniques. These may resemble the kneading and tapping movements found in Swedish massage. There is one important difference, however. Thai massage is performed completely dry. No oils are used during the treatment. A particularly important part of Thai massage is the work on the sen lines themselves. This is carried out using a specific protocol, and it mainly involves stretches and rhythmic presses applied with the thumbs and palms. Through these presses, the therapist works along the sen pathways in order to stimulate and regulate the body's subtle electrochemical system. For this reason, Thai massage has long been regarded as a sacred therapeutic practice within Thai culture. Before practicing Thai massage, it is essential to understand its contraindications and precautions. Thai massage should not be performed if the receiver has fever or any infectious disease. Pressure should also be avoided on areas with active inflammation such as dermatitis or eczema. The treatment is contraindicated in cases of aneurysm, thrombophlebitis, or other serious cardiovascular diseases. It should also not be performed in clients with osteoporotic fractures or with any fracture that has not healed properly. Another important contraindication involves people who have undergone organ transplantation. Thai massage, like many forms of bodywork, can stimulate immune activity. In transplant recipients, this may interfere with the medications that suppress immune responses, and therefore it can be harmful. If the receiver has any medical condition that raises doubts about whether Thai massage is appropriate, medical advice should be sought before proceeding. During the session, always respect the receiver's physical limits. Thai massage involves stretching and mobilization, so it is essential to work within a comfortable and safe range. There are also a few practical guidelines for the timing of a session. The receiver should avoid heavy meals for at least 2 hours before treatment. After the session, I usually advise my clients to wait about an hour before eating, to drink plenty of water, and to bathe 2 to 3 hours later. Now let's talk about the space and hygiene required for Thai massage. Because of the stretching movements involved, Thai massage requires more space than classic Swedish massage. The receiver lies on a mat placed on the floor, and that mat should be soft and comfortable. It should also be placed on a non-slippery surface to keep both the therapist and the receiver stable during the movements. It is helpful to have at least 3 or 4 pillows available. These can be used to support different parts of the receiver's body during the session. I also recommend keeping an extra pillow for your own knees, since therapists often work in kneeling positions. Both therapist and receiver should wear comfortable, loose clothing that allows free movement. Cleanliness is extremely important. The room where the session takes place should be very clean. I also recommend dim lighting and soft, relaxing music, which help create a calm, therapeutic atmosphere. Basic hygiene practices should always be followed. The therapist should wash their hands before each massage session. The sheet covering the mat should be washed after every client, and the same applies to the pillow covers. With these foundations in place, the principles, the techniques, and the safety considerations, we can now move on to the practical work and explore how Thai massage can be applied specifically for upper back pain.